Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to change YouTube thumbnail after uploading or existing video. Basically, it's pretty easy, just follow the steps I do to not make any mistakes. So if you want to change the thumbnail on the uploaded video, then watch the video to the end and you will learn how to do it. So in the upper right corner, click on your logo and go to the YouTube studio. Then the content and select the video in which you want to view the thumbnail. Click here and then on the existing thumbnail, click three dots, select change or download and upload a new image. After the changes, do not forget to click save in the right corner. That's how simple it is. Also watch my other videos about YouTube at the link in description and you will learn a lot. I hope guys this tutorial made your life a little bit easy and you like this video. Subscribe to my channel and write your comment. Goodbye. Have a nice day.